just waits there on the floor. The body's at the wheel. Someone cut the brakes so the road stays empty and the dust won't shake. Not two clocks on the wall, neither one will chime. Each one holds back the other from keeping time. Echo in my head, won't let a word fall here. Two minor voices screaming, not a single one sounds clear. Rain is in a storm, that drowns a common sight. Even when the room is still, it won't slow down my mind. There's so much noise within, even silence sounds like war. Silence isn't empty, it's used as a wall. Sin keeps me warm and backbone keeps me standing. Ice gets me through the night, but virtue takes me home. My head made the journey while my feet stay tight. Traded tomorrow's spark for a safer night. The worst thing to make is shrinking every dream. The greatest flaw to have is settling in between. Don't shrink yourself to the modest spark when you could shine to the brim. Don't be afraid of the end. Feel life that's small and dim. Sin keeps me warm and backbone keeps me standing. Lies gets me through the night, but virtue takes me home. Strings align and voices join. Hope turns into sound. Alone in a whisper, together we're a song. This keeps me going, keeps me growing. There's no way to share a moment. Leaves me stripped, don't look away. Don't say it's fine, just let it stay. How broken thoughts can find a tone. What once was noise turns into sound. Sin keeps us warm and backbone keeps us standing. Ice gets us through the night, virtue takes us home. Strings align and voices join. Hope turns into sound. Alone we're a whisper, together we're a song. We don't add up together, but this fits right in. If you weren't here, someone have to ride you in. If you weren't here, someone had to ride